Hello guys! In this video we break down the differences between Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser versus Gentle Skin Cleanser. The main difference between Cetaphil Daily Cleanser and Gentle Cleanser is that Cetaphil Daily Cleanser is ideal for combination to oily skins while Gentle Cleanser is ideal for dry, sensitive skin. Cetaphil Daily Cleanser and Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser are two types of gentle cleansers by the popular skincare brand known as Cetaphil. Although both these products help you to cleanse your skin, there are some differences between Cetaphil Daily Cleanser and Gentle Cleanser. Let's get on to the comparison video now. Cetaphil Daily Cleanser is a gentle but effective cleanser that can remove excess dirt, oil, and makeup, leaving the skin healthy and refreshed. It contains a non-irritating formula that will make your skin feel dry or tight. It is ideal for combination to oily skins. Moreover, the mild and low lather formula of this cleanser will not strip your skin of any essential oils. It has a gel-like consistency, allowing you to massage it into your skin for a short period of time. Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser is a gentle, soap-free cleanser that hydrates and soothes skin as it cleans. This product is suitable for all types of skin but is ideal for those with dry and sensitive skin. You can use it on your face, hands, as well as your body. It has a fragrance-free formula that is also hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic. Cetaphil Daily Cleanser versus Gentle Cleanser. Foam. While Cetaphil Daily Cleanser produces foam, Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser does not produce foam. Skin type. Cetaphil Daily Cleanser is ideal for combination to oily skins, while Gentle Cleanser is ideal for dry, sensitive skin. Fragrance. Moreover, Cetaphil Daily Cleanser has a masking fragrance, while Gentle Cleanser has a fragrance-free formula. Use. Cetaphil Daily Cleanser is a facial care product, while Gentle Cleanser can be used on face, hands, and body. Rinsing. In addition, Cetaphil Daily Cleanser requires rinsing while Gentle Cleanser does not necessarily require rinsing. Cetaphil Daily Cleanser is ideal for combination to oily skins, while Gentle Cleanser is ideal for dry, sensitive skin. This is the main difference between Cetaphil Daily Cleanser and Gentle Cleanser. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.